Hello everyone, today we are gonna talk about the modern periodic table. In 1913, Henry Moseley, he has showed that we can arrange the element or we can classify the element by their atomic number. He has shown us how we can classify the element by atomic number. So he has given us the periodic table which we are calling as the modern periodic table. So let's see what he has given to us and how he has classified. Yes, so as you can see, this is the modern periodic table which we are using now also. So as you can see, there are the 7 periods and 18 groups. 7 periods and 18 groups. So as you will go from right to left, so here are the metals, in between there is a metalloids or semi-metals, and at the last there are the non-metals. So in this periodic table, if we see of the trends, what are the trends in the modern periodic table? So as you go down the group, the shell of the element will be increased, and if you go from right to left, the size of the atom will get small, and here down the group the size of the atom will increase. For example, the size of lithium is greater than hydrogen. As we are going down the group, the size will increase. Sodium size is greater than lithium. So if we see of potassium, potassium size is bigger than calcium, and calcium size is bigger than scandium. So as we will go from the right to left, the size of this element which are there in the period will be get less. The reason behind is that as the nuclear the reason behind that is as the nuclear charge increase. So for example, if we go in the period from right to left, the shell is same, but the electron are increasing, so the nuclear force is also increasing. As the shell will increase, the size of the atom will increase, but as the nuclear charge is more powerful, it will contract, you can say like that. So the atom will get small. And one more thing I like to add in this, that the metal you are seeing there, they are electropositive, and the non-metal are not, we can say they are electronegativity, but more we can say that they have a tendency to gain electron. And the metals which you are seeing in this green, they have a tendency to lose electron. They easily loses the electron, as everything gaining and losing is for stability. So thank you so much. I hope you have understood this small and sweet periodic table. Thank you so much.